Hi friends, thanks for taking this Udemy course and hope all of you are enjoying the course. Please note, this is one important video which I am going to make to all of you. Many of you are asking questions in TradingView. Please stop asking questions in TradingView indicators or TradingView personal chart or TradingView comment box. Okay. So whatever the questions you have, you can ask me directly by sending a WhatsApp on 70901234 sorry 12355 7090112355. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. Even you can call me, you can talk to me. Okay, especially Saturday Sunday I will be free, you can talk to me anytime. One thing. Second thing is, what happens if you ask indicator in TradingView? TradingView will ban all the discussions which I am going to do with you. So it is not allowed. Hence, I request not to ask anything in TradingView uh, section. Okay. Now the indicators which I have developed, many of them will work for all the market. So some of you ask, it is not working for Bitcoin, it is not working for New York and all those things. I am going to show you in this video. Third very important thing, until unless you complete the course, please don't ask the indicator, because the indicator which I am giving you, it's for trial purpose. It will not be with you for permanent, because it's based on a subscription basis. Okay. If you are interested to use, you can use by taking a subscription. Okay. So the God gift indicator, I will be giving 3 months access. Mind Pro indicator, I will be giving 1 month access. RMGAN indicator will be given 1 month access for trial purpose, to test how the market works, how the reaction comes, whether bullish, bearish, all those things you will be able to understand by looking at the indicator. Fourth important thing, if you practice Astro or if you don't practice Astro, doesn't matter. Reason is, the indicator which I have developed, irrespective of Astro aspects, okay, irrespective of the Astro results, it works better than Astro. Reason is, technical always ahead of the Astro. Okay, so Astro will give you prediction, not the accurate result. Okay. For example, when I talk about solar and lunar cycles, you might not get the result on the same day. It might come after one day. Okay. But after that, the direction change and the trend change will happen after the Astro effect, not based on the technical aspect. Okay. Technical aspect for intraday delivery basis, you need to follow technicals only. Okay. But Astro will give you some clarity which direction you should take the trade. Okay. If stop loss hits due to technicals, you should exit Astro setup and take the technical trade. So this is what I wanted to communicate to all of you. Hope you understood now. And also there is one more request saying that I want to build a spread strategy in Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay. So in that also I'm going to discuss in this video one by one. Let me share the screen to you. Okay, this is very important. Please follow the things which I have explained to you. Okay. Now let's go to first the indicator, God gift indicator and Mind Pro indicators. These are the two indicators which normally I tell using in 3 minute, 5 minute time frame, depends on your risk appetite. Okay. Now let me talk about BTC. Okay. So BTC, there are many. Okay, so let me put it in Binance, or you can use whichever gives you accurate this thing. Okay, so Binance is not giving you proper thing. Okay, you can use then Coinbase. Okay, so now it is giving you clear picture. So Binance was giving candle here and because I might not be having an access to provide that thing, hence that was not giving perfect one. Now look at this Bitcoin, US dollar. Now above green zone, buy comes, you should buy. Below yellow zone, sell comes, you should sell. Or at red zone, if sell comes, take sell. Okay, so here you don't try to buy. Okay, once the price reach to red zone, that journey is over. See here. From here to here, it ends the journey. So once you take the long position here, you can hold the trade till it reaches red zone or yellow zone. So, or you can book the profit at the yellow zone. Okay, so here it's the buy zone. This is the buy zone. Okay, now again the Bitcoin is coming for the buy side. Okay, so but I have not got any signal of buy here. Okay, see here it is still in sell side, but candles where it is forming, it is at the green zone. So immediately I will not buy. I will wait for this buy signal to come, and candle should close above the two moving average. Then I will take the long trade. Now if you talk about gold, okay, gold also you see. Okay, so one more gentleman asked about some other cryptos. Okay, so I think let me show you Binance. Okay, Binance coin. So you can check this in. Okay, so this one. Okay, now see the Binance. Anything. Okay, so now what is happening? It is between red and yellow zone. Okay, so here it is below the support level. You need to take a short entry, not long entry. Okay, above the resistance, you should take the long entry, provided you are getting buy signal. Here, if you take buy signal, if the price close below the support, you should exit and take the short trade. By mistake, suppose you have taken buy over here because it was closing above support and all those things. Exit the trade and take the short entry. Okay. So it is like that. You need to use this indicator. Same way which I am explaining. Now crude oil, if you talk, crude oil, this is today's price action, morning candle and between green to yellow. Entire day it is sideways. You see support and resistance. Support is here, resistance is here. So it is in between. So technically speaking, you need to buy here and exit here. Buy here, exit here. Okay. If you keep this stop loss, you can hold the trade till it reaches the R1 or red zone. So once the target reaches this, then crude oil target is over. Okay. So sometimes trending days, it might go up because it's a Trump era. In this, you can see big movement in crude oil. It won't happen all the time like this. Okay. So hence you need to practice buy at green zone and you need to exit at yellow zone. Okay. That is the first principle. Second principle, above yellow zone, red zone. So here don't buy. Always wait for sell side trade from red zone to green zone. Here you take a short entry. Here you take the long entry. Now, some of you ask me about the spreads. Now, how to build the spread? Okay. Now, let me remove God gift indicator and use the RM-GAN indicator. Okay. Why RM-GAN? Because this will give you clear picture than the God gift. This has made for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, MCX Gold, MCX Crude Oil, MCX Silver only. Okay. So those who want to trade in all market, they can use only God gift. If you want to trade only these index, you need to use this indicator. Now look at this indicator today. What happened? Okay, this was the daily support. This was the daily resistance. Entire day it was hovering around this area only. Hence, it was a sell on rise. Okay, so till if the price goes above the resistance, then only you're supposed to buy. But at the red zone, we don't take the long entry. We look for only short entries. Okay, so if you take the short entry below this, the buy came here. You would have taken, you would have booked the profit here and exited and at this level. So again, you would have taken short entry below the weekly support. You see the weekly support, how this level is respecting. Once the price trying to go up from here, due to weekly support, it came down. Okay. So this is how you need to use the indicator. So Astro was bullish today at this time and this time. But due to the sideways zone, because I always tell you check my all videos about the indicator, between red and yellow zone, you should not trade. Okay, because it's a sideways market. Okay, so here if you took one short entry, exited, that's it, no more trade. Okay, so now how to build the strategies based on the indicator. So spreads. So somebody wanted to build a spread. For that, you no need to go for option selling strategy training. Very simple training I will give you. Okay, follow that and use this strategy. Now, if you check my YouTube video 2 days back, I have told 24,600 call you sell and 24,300 put you sell. Okay. And by 24,200 put and also by, I think 24, something as said like this. Okay. So like that, you need to build the spread. How to build the spread? Now, whenever the price is at this zone, okay, see here. Whenever the price is at green zone, you need to build the strategy. What you need to do? You need to sell 24,600. Red zone bottom line, call you sell. And a green zone top, you put you sell. Okay. Or if you still want to take a risk, okay, then you can sell yellow zone top, this yellow zone top. Both call and put you sell. This level, you know very well, 24,177. It comes around 24,180. Okay, so 24,180. That means 24,200 call, put you sell. And you sell 24,500 call. So both you sold. Now you need to hedge that. Okay, so what you need to do? You need to buy 24,550 call and buy 24,000 put. Okay, so both hedging, it's an iron condor strategy, and leave it. Okay, so if you have done this, okay, so uh, from here to here, 1, 2, 3 days, okay, you would have made good profit. Okay, so no need to worry or anything. Okay, now again you see here this level. This was on Friday, so I will start from here. Okay, this is Wednesday. This is Friday. Okay, this is Tuesday. So once the Tuesday expiry over, okay. So Tuesday expiry is over. Okay, now you came on Tuesday. Sorry, Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday the price action was here. So now what you will do? You will sell 24,000 put and you will buy 24, 23, 950 put. Sell this level put, buy this level put. Okay. Now you will sell call. Okay. Call of 24,400. Why 24,400? Because normally it goes and touches here and try to go a little bit up and comes down. Okay. So this call you sell and buy this call. So this is the hedging you have done. Okay. So or if you are a high risk taker, you can sell call this level and put this level. That also you can do. So we are selling out of the money call, out of the money put, so that you should get the benefit of the premium. Now, whatever the call put which you have sold here, okay, so that will become zero anyway up to Tuesday. So this put becomes zero. Now you have sold the call here. Okay, which call you sold? This one. You bought the call. Now what you need to do here, once the price crosses above this, okay, then you exit the call sell and buy the call. And one call is already there. And sell put up this level again immediately. This is the stop loss. You sell the put. Okay, so this is becoming zero. One more put you sell, you buy one more call, and two call buying is there, one put selling is there. Like that, you continue till the price reaches to this level. The call which you have bought, that is given the profit. Put you have sold, that becomes zero. And the out of the money call which you bought, that also given the profit. So like this, if you trade, okay, so you see. Now we are coming again Thursday. This is Wednesday. So this one day is over. Okay. Now again on Wednesday, you can sell call of this and put up this level. Okay. And buy put up this level and call up this level. That is yellow zone top 24,800. Or it's up to you whether you want to sell this level or this level. It's up to you. But sell because until the price crosses above the green zone, it is not going to go up. That is for sure. Okay. Hence, sell this. Agar if by mistake it crosses above, you should exit the call sell and buy the call. And instead of whatever the put you have sold here, again you sell one more put here. So like that you need to keep on changing the strategies. Okay. So if you have done that, see what happened. Okay. So again the call sell becomes zero now. Now it came Tuesday. Okay. So you see this is Tuesday, 11th August. expiry done, and put also become 0, call also become 0. Okay. Now you're coming on Wednesday. Again Wednesday, again I told to sell 24,600 call and 24,300 put. If you are done, the premium theta decay might have earned this much of good return. You see here. All you might have got good profit. Okay. Let me show you Wednesday 24,600 call and 24,300 put. Okay. What would have happened? Okay. That I'm going to show you. So I will go to website called Stock Mojo. Okay. So simulator. I'll use simulator and I will build the iron condor something neutral bearish. Okay. So which one I will build? Short iron condor. So anything I will build manually. I will not use this thing. I will build manually. Okay. So when I will build this, so let me go to Wednesday. Okay. So Wednesday was Monday, Tuesday, this one. Okay. So this date, what time I will build? I will build at 9:30. Okay. So 9:30 I will go here. Okay. Done. Now 24,600 call. I need to sell. Correct. 24,600 call I will sell. Okay. And 24,300 put I will sell. 24,300 put I will sell. And 200 put I will buy. And 24 700 call I will buy. Okay. So this is the strategy which I have created on Wednesday. Okay. So how much investment needed for this? You needed an investment of 76 to 78,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees margin you need. Okay. If you have run this strategy, okay, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, okay, like this. Okay, so now which date we are in now? 13th August, Thursday. Okay, 14th Friday. Okay, 14th Friday. 17th Monday. Okay, 17th. So by Monday 1:15, you are at 2,000 rupees profit. Market is sideways. So you have not lost any single pie. You have not done many trading. You have simply sold call and put and made iron condor strategy. Okay. Now let's see. 17th, 17th, 18th. Okay. Now you are in 217 loss. Now you made a profit of 2,000 rupees earlier. Okay. So if you see here 1 hour before, you were 2,100 profit. Now you are in loss. So if you are okay with this profit, you can book the profit. It is giving you approximately 2% ROI. Okay. The next day you see what happens. Okay. So Tuesday. So by the end of the day, you are in loss. Why? Because this put which you have sold, the premium went up. Okay. So you would have adjusted this. Okay. If you have adjusted this at once the level crosses, then you would have made the profit. For example, you see here, when the price came here, the put sold here 24,300, you would have exited and took the put of 24,300 and you would have made the profit. So like this, you need to do small adjustment when the price is here. So because when the price comes below this level, you should exit the put sell and buy the put and keep this as a stop loss. Anyway, you have sold call at this level, so you no need to worry. So this strategy has given you almost 2,000 rupees profit till Monday. Okay. On Tuesday only, it has given you the loss. So, when the market was bearish at that time, morning you would have sold, you would have taken put here so that you would have made a good profit. Okay. Suppose 24,300, if you added the put on Tuesday, Okay, so how to, you know that below red we will not buy call, that's for sure. Okay, so based on that, I will go with that thing only. So at 9:30, when I know that market is not going to go up. Okay, so at this time, what I will do, I will buy 24,300 put up next week. If you want, you can buy next week. That's not a problem. If you buy this week also, okay, what would have happened? Okay, without exiting. Okay, so one more put you would have bought. Okay, so this is the result you got. Okay, by 10:44, 1 hour. Okay, so see the profit. By 3 o'clock, you are almost 4,000 rupees profit. Okay, so this is the power of the indicator. Okay, so follow this indicator. So I have answered all the doubts which you are having. So how to build the strategy and how to use the indicator for other instruments. Thank you.